Okay, hi guys again. Another tutorial. Because the first one I think it was just quite clear how to extract the or remove the transparent backgrounds, So what we're gonna do now is how do you get a picture, just part of the picture, and send it to your thumbnail or whatever you want to use it for. So what we're gonna do is this. I'm gonna show you. Very simple. Okay, we have this picture, right? I just pick it up from the internet. This is copyright free though, so let's see. So it can be used. And I create something like this. Okay. Like I said, this can be anything, It can be whatever you prefer or whatever colors you like. Whatever. This is just an example. All right, so what I did is pick to the picture you like, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new picture, basically. Template. Let's call it what you like. This is the standard size, 1080. It's just about right for YouTube, for sure. You can make it bigger if you want to, but there's no need really. With the background color, yeah, it can be any color. So what I did is just select. Select any color here. This one, for example. That'll do. Alright, so we have the main picture, the main background picture. It's gonna be the background for us. So back to the original one, the one we picked from the internet, or any other videos or whatever you can do. You can pick it up from anything or anywhere you like. So we select this pretty girl. Very haba. Okay. Well, it's gotta be side, isn't it? Alright, so we pick the parts that need to be picked. Not pumping. Okay. This one over here is a bit tricky. This one is a bit tricky. Okay, fix this. So, for you to remove parts that you don't really want, you select or you press the Alt key in the keyboard in Windows, obviously, and you remove the areas that you don't really want to take with you. There you go. See? All nice and beautiful. All right. Let's go back up a little bit. Let's see what we got. It's all right. Okay, so after this, we click on Refine Edge. And that's it, really. Look at that picture. Perfect. So what we're going to do is give a little bit of a feather. So it's like a blurry the corners. Just a little bit. Maybe it's just no. Smooth the corners as well. So nice. More contrast. The picture. Let's see. Just to make sure everything's alright. Doesn't look ugly or anything like it. Basically what I do is I slide the so I can see the changes straight from the picture. It looks pretty good to me, actually. So that's alright. So we can contaminate the colors, so it will be like a new layer. Mask. So all the background will disappear. Alright. So look at this picture. Here. Selection tool. Grab the picture and send it here. Obviously because it's pretty big though. So Control minus will zoom out. So smaller. Fit the area to our Control plus, we zoom in again. There you go. So we make sure the size of this girl is just about right. So we compare with the original. Okay. Should have done that, should I? Because it came back to its own original size. Hang on. I'll fix this. Fix it again. Back here. Back there. Alright, let's see. Click on here. We'll apply so it won't happen again. Alright. So that's the original one. Okay. Seems like the size is fine. Otherwise it looks too fatty. Or it's too thin, one or the other. Anyway. Alright, well that's about it. Okay, so now I do this. Some people doesn't, but I do. I just create a it's like a border stroke around the picture, so it doesn't look like. But that's my way of doing things, so everybody can do it that way they like it. 25, see these borders. So give it a color. What color? I don't know. Like I say, at the end of the day, it's up to you. But the closer to the picture, the better. So it's all uniform, you know. Okay, let's put the scale back in here. There. And well, this is it, I think. So now we just bring letters. I mean, any text you like. I mean, it can be anything here. Just put that because that was an example. But this is how you bring the picture into your own thumbnail. Like I said, it can be anything, any picture, any video. For example, I can bring a video of mine. So, for example, I want to pick any part of the video that you really think, oh, I want this, you know, to be my thumbnail. Okay, so this is your recording. Okay, I'm just gonna look for somewhere. Let's say, for the sake of the example tutorial, let's pick this one up. All right, so I click on print the screen in the keyboard. Then I open Paint. Then you paste it here. We save as. You pick template tutorial. That's it. That's safe. Right now, go back to our Photoshop, and we open pictures tutorial. That's the one. Open that one. Obviously, the size of this thing is huge because the video was high. So I'm gonna make sure it's the same size. All right. So now we're gonna pick this picture. This guy. Same as before. Okay, obviously the letters we don't want them. No. Like I say, it can be any other picture because I mean it depends on the picture as well. Some of them are good, some of them not so good to use. So just make sure you pick the right ones. The ones are can be used or easily extract per se. Right, okay, hang on. Let's make sure everything's okay. This. Okay, guys. Make sure everything's alright. I don't know how to remove this stuff. Just leave it like this. Let's see. Alright. Let's see what it looks like. See what it looked like. You can decide if it's good or bad. See, every time I try to remove areas, see? So I press Alt. Alt, basically, it deselect. Normal one will select. Okay? Alright, so this one. Now I'm gonna check it out, Fine Edge. Well, looks a bit, you know, bad there, but we can fix that. So look. Find the edge, we can feather the edges as well, so see? Doesn't look too bad now. A little contrast there. Like this. So it doesn't look too bad though. Like I said, it depends on the picture as well. The pictures, I think you should pick up the pictures that are really easily to extract. This one can be somehow complicated. So basically we just pick it up, bring it into our... So that way you can see that you can actually have any picture of your videos and use as a thumbnail. Right, I already fixed the... Hang on. I think I moved the whole thing, did I? I already fixed the... Or did the complete thing like here, you know. It's just something that I did just to show you what you can do with it. But more or less, for example, you wanna move this guy here, you can. No problem. So there you go. Obviously, we want to put this guy in the back, not in the front. So what we do is get back here. Grab this guy. Grab this guy. Okay. Should I make it smaller? Just a sec. Just a sec. Making it smaller. Just like that. There you go. Well, like I said, this is just an example. It can be other colors, can be everything, it can be what you like it. So many text, the font, the size, the colors, it can be changed, etc., etc. So at the end of the day, it's up to you. But this is how I do it. And obviously, I add on extra stuff over here in the corner. Sometimes I put a triangle here, so if you look at my thumbnails, I do that many times. So, okay, well, that's it. Thanks for watching.
Spread it like